Hey, so today we're going to be learning about how to round any number to the nearest 10. You should have just watched a really fun music video that's going to explain how to do that, but now I'm going to give you a 3-step process that we can do to find out how to round those numbers. So the first step that we can take is step 1. We find the rounding place. And the rounding place is the place value that we are rounding to. In this case, we're rounding to the nearest 10. So that means we'd find the number in the tens place. So for example, here I have the number 28, and the 2 right here, that's for 20. That's our tens place, and that's the rounding place. So let's find that, and I underlined it. And let's see, step 2 is look to the number in the ones place. And that number is 8. So step 3 is going to tell us what we're going to do with that number. So for step 3, if it's 5 or more, we round up. And if it's 4 or below, we round down. So let's check this number. So we have 8, and that is 5 or more. It's more than 5. So that means we're going to round our number up to the next tens place. So that would be 30. So 28 would round up to 30 because that is the closest 10 to it. I think we should try that with another number. Let's try it with the number 42. So I'm going to try our steps with the number 42. So step 1, let's find the rounding place. Well, we're still rounding by 10, so that's going to be this number. This is going to be 4. So I'm going to underline that so I'll remember that. So this number is either going to stay the same or it's going to go up. So step 2, look to the number in the ones place. All right, that's 2. I'll circle that so I know that. And let's see, is it 5 or more, or is it 4 or below? Well, we have 2, that's 4 or below. So that means that we round down. So that means we take off these 2, and it's going to round down to 40. So 42 is going to round down to 40. Remember, when you're rounding with the nearest 10, there's always going to be a 0 at the end, because it's going to be a nice, friendly number. We like to talk a lot about friendly numbers, or a landmark number. So 42 rounds down to 40.